So I sketched out this dress and I wanted to recreate it using the vintage lace fabric that I had. I like how it looks. And this is me here cutting out the fabric and putting in my measurements on the fabric. Yeah, because it's literally a very easy dress to make. It's just something fitted, like a turtleneck dress. So all you need is your bust, your waist, and your hip measurement, and of course the length of the dress. And that's all you need. You don't need anything else. Of course, your sleeve, your biceps, your wrist, and all that. But it's basically a very easy dress to make. I would not say for a beginner, but if you try to do it, I'm sure it's something that you can achieve at the end of the day, because it's just a basic bodice dress. So this is me here connecting my waist to my hip, to the length, to get my armhole. And yeah, you're going to see how it looks when I'm done cutting. So this is how it looks. I've cut out everything, the front and the back and the length of the dress. Yes. And then I'm going to show you the sleeve that I cut out with the, what they call it, the turtleneck band. So this is me here putting, sewing the lace together. I was listening to music, so I'm kind of dancing. That's how I tend to be able to do a lot when I listen to gospel music and dance while I'm sewing. Yeah, I don't make mistakes. Yeah. So I really enjoy it. So this is just me kind of putting the lace fabric together, the front and the back. And you're going to see soon how it looks on the mannequin, and then how I make the inner dress. Yes, you're going to still see me dancing and goofing around. Yeah. So this is how it looks on the mannequin. I love how it looks. I'm so excited. So I'm dancing and... Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So you guys saw in the last video how I made the red dress. So I'm going to use my tripod that helps. So it's the tripod that kind of goes with me wherever I go to. So that's what I'm using right now. Isn't it cool? When I move, it moves with me. When I go like that, it's just like that. Okay, so I'm going to pick up a fabric for the inside, right? I don't know. The main red dress is lace and it stretches, but I'm thinking of going with non-stretch and something different. I don't know. This is the lace we used, right? This is the lace we used. Come on now. Come back. Yeah. So this is the lace we used. So I'm going to put it underneath this one to see if I like it, because I want to be able to wear it on top and underneath. I don't know if you get what I mean, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna go with this one because it's what fabric is this? It's taffeta. No, raw silk. Yeah. Right? Let me see. It's polyester, of course, but it's like raw silk. So I'm gonna go with this one. I like this one. Yeah, so we're gonna get cutting, and yeah, I already have a pattern that I drafted. I'm trying to see where that pattern is right now. Gosh, I'm loving this tripod that just goes with me everywhere. We're a new generation. God is raising. Fine boy, we love Jesus. Fine girls, we love Jesus. People, we love Jesus. I cannot wait for my photo shoot tomorrow. I'm going to be taking it outside my house. Yeah. Let's see. Where would that pattern be? Hey. Holy Spirit, help me find this pattern. Okay, let me look for the pattern. I'll come back. So I found the pattern. So I want to cut my interfacing, and then I'm going to interface it to the fabric before I cut. And then, I mean, I don't need a lot. And then I'm going to put it together. Because I'm going to be using the same fabric for the lining. So, yeah. I am a soldier, and I to fit into you. The voice of my commando. Jesus, if you call my name. So I'm done, and this is how it looks. Of course, it's not the size of my mannequin. And this is how it looks underneath the lace dress. I really love how it turned out. It's so beautiful. So now you're going to see me.